To hard reset your Realme GT7 Pro, first we need to press and hold a power button and volume up button together at the same time to power off our device. After a few moments, it should shut down, and then we need to wait around 5 seconds till our device is fully off. Now press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time, and hold them until you can see the 3 language options. So here we have it. You can use the touch panel to actually navigate through it. We're gonna go with the English, and then to perform hard reset, you need to select format data and enter the verification code that is visible right here, after which you need to just confirm that you want to do it, and then your device will be ready for the first setup, as the hard reset will happen.